Welcome to the May edition of Wikifarmer Library Updates. This month, we've handpicked stories to inspire, inform, and empower everyone passionate about food, farming, and sustainability. Let's start at home. Discover how to keep your balcony plants thriving all summer, and explore the best Mediterranean plants to turn your space into a fragrant oasis. For pet lovers, we share tips on creating a green, pet-safe indoor haven. And if you dream bigger, see how rooftop greenhouses are changing urban food security. Next, we celebrate the tiny heroes of agriculture, bees and pollinators. Learn the secrets behind healthy honeybee colonies, the vital role of pollinators in feeding the world, and how beekeeping can be both rewarding and profitable. Explore the fascinating dance between insects and microbes during pollination. On the farm, we highlight sustainable practices shaping the future, from nurturing healthy soils that support our gut and planet, to unlocking silvopasture and transforming unused land. Whether you're a beginner or innovator, discover guides to starting a sustainable farm, boosting organic agriculture through agritourism, and even turning carbon storage into a farm asset. Food innovation takes center stage with breakthroughs like super snacks, probiotic-rich specialty foods, and new uses for ancient crops and fermentation. Finally, we look at the bigger picture, how banks, digital marketplaces, and community value chains are making food trade safer, fairer, and more transparent. Thank you for joining us on this journey of growth and discovery. Stay curious, stay inspired, and see you next month for more Wikifarmer Library updates.